These are the parking elevators at the Main Place Mall in Buffalo, New York. Awesome. Buttons on this side. Go down to 3. Door close works. Classic love lane. ML. Let's get a cab view. Black buttons fixtures. 2,500 pound capacity. We'll send that down and we'll get the other one.
Okay, where's our next stop?
And let's do that one. Look at the rotary dial. Awesome. I like that bell. 3. Original indicator. These were from 1969. Watch this. ML. That's the parking garage. That's the parking level. Let's get our cab view. It's a really nice elevator. Black buttons fixtures. There's your ADA phone. 2,500 pound capacity. Let's watch it. We'll close up. And that is it.